This is the unboxing of the Siless Vibro Max 120 mil. You can see right here that it's 30 square feet and there are 29 sheets total in it. This weighs, I don't know, 17 pounds or so, something like that. And we'll get into the specifics of each sheet here in just a second. This is what you've got, and all 30 sheets are, I don't know, about a little over 3.5 inches thick. Each one of them is 0.12 inches thick. Comes with a sheet, Siless sound deadening and thermal shield, and then it gives instructions. Basically, you just put them on, and then you get a roller, and I'll show you that in a bit. And once you've attached it to the wall, you peel the back off, and then you attach it to the wall and you roll it until all these little rectangles are gone. But that's basically what we've got, and it's just a whole bunch of sheets of that. That's what you got. And so again, that's the Siless Vibro Max 120. So I've got a few pieces of this Siless here, and I'm going to show you how you go about cutting it. You can see on the back of it, they actually have all of these dotted lines that makes it pretty easy. So I'm just using a pair of tin snips. You could use a utility knife or whatever you want to use, but you can basically see that it cuts just super easy. And you don't have to be real exact most of the time, but that's all it takes to cut it. And then you've got this, and when you're ready to put it up, literally just pull it off like that. And then just to show you how this works, I'm going to add a little bit to this. Literally just sitting on there like that, and I've got the paper on the back. I'm just going to set it right along there and just push it on. And now, when we look at it close, you can see that this is the one that I had already installed, and this is the one that I just put on just now. This one you can't see any of the little rectangles like you can on the new one. And the way that that works, I got this little roller kit right here. And it comes with 3 different sizes. It comes with a wide, a medium, and then it comes with a really narrow one. Most of the time I've used these two. Most of the time I'll just use the big one. And what you do with it is you basically just put that on there like that, and then you just roll it. And when those rectangles disappear, you know that you've done it good enough. That's all there is to it for the installation. And so for the van, you can see that I've basically done the areas where I know I'm not going to have any windows. We're still deciding on the way that the layout is actually going to go. But on the back door panels, I've taken the black plastic cover off, and I've put some sound dampening in there, and then same thing over there. And I've got to do this. I still have to work on the wheel wells, which I have not done yet. But basically, that is the process, and you can use as much of it as you want, obviously. But that's the way it's been going so far.